Hello everybody, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube creative studio. 4 months ago I started my temperature project. I started temperature snake and look at him after 4 months. I started in mid December and today it's Sunday 23rd of April and I'm going to finish the last rows. If you are new on my blog, let me shortly explain what is the temperature project. It's a project where you measure the temperature and mark the highest temperature and then create the temperature scale. I prepared the temperature scale with 3 degrees for each color and then easily crochet 1 row per day according to your temperature scale. And yesterday it was the highest hot day, almost summer day. It was 21 degrees in Prague in Central Europe. So I will start with a new yarn. Look at it, it's a nice bright orange color. I'm so excited to put this orange color on my temperature snake. So I will show you how to change the color, and I think it's also time to finish with the blue colors. The blue colors are below the 0, so I don't want to have blue colors on my temperature snake. I want nice green orange colors for spring and then the summertime. I love springtime, so I cut the blue colors and I will also cut the light blue and the white color. White is for me 0 and I will leave only the green and the other colors which are above the 0. Okay, so yeah, so now let me show you how to change the color. I have 1 row for 1 day. So now I finished the Friday and I will work on Saturday and I will not finish the last single crochet in the row. Okay, so I have 2 loops on my hook. I don't finish the single crochet. I grab a new yarn and pull the new yarn through both loops on my hook. Okay, so I finished the last single crochet with new yarn and then I will easily continue with new yarn with the orange yarn and I will place 1 single crochet in each single crochet from the previous row. Each row has 30 stitches around. Okay, so I will continue and meet you at the end of my round and I will finish also the Sunday. On Sunday we have 16 degrees in Prague, so I will grab the beige color. So okay, don't finish the last stitch in the round. Grab the proper yarn for your temperature. I have to find the beige color, have it, and finish the last stitch. Perfect. And now I will continue and finish the row for today. Today is Sunday 23rd of April. And yeah, this is it, my crochet friends. You will find the written pattern on my blog. I also prepared video tutorials how to make the snake hat, how to continue with the snake, how to finish the snake. If you will have any questions to my project, please put the comment in the box below. This video tutorial you can also find me on my social media. I have Facebook page, Pinterest and Instagram, and I'm always happy to help. Thank you very much for watching. Happy crocheting and bye bye!